Welcome to the Community Learning and Skills Learner Guide to using our Moodle site. You are currently logged in and you are on the home page of Moodle. You'll either be logged in with a username and password, which you would have been provided with, or you may be on the site as a guest. The difference in the two, guests have some areas that are not accessible for guests. The logged in accounts normally have courses assigned to them, and as they go around the Moodle area they can log in and join more courses. For a guest, you'll come in, join a course. When you leave, the course will not exist when you come back in again, so you have to log back in and click on the course again. Okay, so let's take you around the navigation of Moodle. On the top left hand corner you'll see a button that's grey. It may be white and it may only go grey when you hover over it. If you click on that button, it brings a navigational panel, and that panel will show you a dashboard calendar, and it shows you any courses you've been pre-enrolled into before you arrive on the site. So this learner, called Test Learner, has already been enrolled in an AIA course, which is an apprentice induction area. When you click on that course, it opens the course directly for you, and you can see there you could go through and do the induction. Now, to get back to that main page, you click on the Community Learning and Skills, and that brings you back to the main home page. So you can see that my courses are direct links to the courses that you're enrolled on. Now let's go and navigate and find some other courses. We may be a Kent Adult Education learner, and we may have been asked to do a learner induction. So if we click on the drop-down menu, then we've got there a Kent Adult Education learner induction. And underneath that you'll see the one we've already been into, the KT&A Apprentice Learner Induction. And there's an Apprentice Work-Based Learner Induction. So the Kent Adult Education Induction, we can click on it, and we've got here, click here for your learner induction, and that will launch the PowerPoint presentation. And there you can go through and do your induction. So you can just click through the slides. Now, to get back to the page that we were on, we just need to click on the original tab, the Kent Adult, Community Learning and Skills first tab, because the induction will have opened in a new window. So we can just click between tabs to get back to the Moodle site. We've also got information on learner charters in here and some useful supporting learners documents. So there's areas you can go into within the learner inductions. Now, to get back to the home page, you would click on the Community Learning and Skills, or you can go directly to another area of Moodle. Let's go and look at the Learner Lounge. And now we're in the Learner Lounge area, and this is an area we've set up for all learners. You can go in and have a look. Maybe you'd like to gain a NUS card. There's the details of how you do that here. Click in the arrows to navigate through the grids. And you can see I've got all of the brands there, and if you want more information, you just click on the links. To get back to the home page, just click on the Community Learning and Skills. And that will take you back to the home page of Moodle. Now back on the home page of Moodle, and we're now going to look at other ways to navigate. You'll see that we've got a Learner Zone button. We can click on that Learner Zone button, and that takes us to the brands of Community Learning and Skills, Kent Adult Education, Skills Plus and KT&A. Now, if we know where we want to go and we know the course name, we could use the Search Courses box by typing in the course name. So if we wanted FS for Functional Skills, click on the Go button and it will bring up every course with FS for Functional Skills inside. And if there's a course there that's the course you've been asked to enroll on, you'd click on the link. You may be asked for an enrolment key, which the tutor will have given you. There isn't an enrolment key on this course, so you just click on Enroll Me. And now I've got the Functional Skills English course information, and I can work through this and look at the course documentation or open any of the files. Now, to get back to the home page, if I click on the Community Learning and Skills button, and now I'm going to just go back to that options underneath the Learner Zone. You'll also notice we've actually got a search box here as well. So I could also use this as the search box rather than going through the learner zone. And if I go FS for functional skills, you can now see all of the courses will come up again. So two ways of navigating to courses on that front page. Learner zone, click on the button, or if you want to just try and find the course by using the course name, just enter it in the search courses. Now if you look to your left now, you'll see the functional skills English is now in my navigational panel. So when I want to go there next time, I don't need to use this learner zone or the search courses. I can just click on the functional skills English and it takes me there. So go back to the home page again. So any courses that you find, either through the drop-down menu of the inductions, or through the Learner Zone button, or through going to search courses, once you've enrolled on them, they will appear in your My Course list. And this will be your direct route the next time you enter our Moodle site. So let's go back to that Learner Zone and have one final look. And you'll see here we've got other areas, Skills Plus, that's divided into categories of ESOL, family programs, functional skills, English, maths. So it could be that you've been asked to go and go on an ESOL course. You would click on the little drop down and then you'd look for your course. It might be that you're on the Canterbury PET FCE course with Rosemary Brown. You'd click on this. This is one that has a key, so you would click here to enter the key that you've been provided with from your tutor. Then you would click on Enroll. So that's an example of a course where you need the key to get in. I'm going to navigate back to my home page, and I'm just going to show you the last areas of the menu. You've got some notifications if you're logged in on the top right-hand corner, and if you click on your name, there's a drop-down menu that will appear where you can go to your dashboard, profile, messages, or preferences. Please be aware, do not leave any personal information in your profile pages. Do not leave any address details, phone details. Your profile just needs to be your name on Moodle. That's all you need. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you've enjoyed the tour.